Hello guys, right now I'm going to teach you how to push your ads on the list of our classified ads which we have listed on our touchstones and Basecamp as we create branding and imaging of our product. So right now I am on our Basecamp. So our list of classified ad sites are located under image and brand creation. So image branding through classified ad sites. So you just need to download these spreadsheets to have the list of classified ad sites, or you can go to our touchstone and then go to four key functions. You can see that there is a four boxes here. So getting the business, getting in the business, fulfilling the promise, be scalable. So our list of directories of classified ads are listed in getting the business because we create branding and images. So let's click the getting the business and then go to image brand creations. So go to our listings, and then you can see we have here top 30 business listing website. You can click that to see the other classified ad sites. From here you can see the list. So you just need to pick one so that we can start posting. So open it in a new. Oh, right now we are on our classifiedads.com. So you can see there's a clickable link here for saying post an ad for free. You can click that to start posting and then select your category for your item. So right now we're posting our products in our draft of balance. So here's the list of our products. So we're selling items, so our category will be items for sale. And for the subcategories, it should be under health and beauty items. Then select the specific locations where you want to post your ad. So right now we're going to post on United States. United States, then choose the main cities and states you want to post your classified ads. So let's choose for now California, then Bakersfield. Ad title. So we need to put the ad title. So our product is draft of balance. So we can choose one. So let's choose draft of balance 16 ounce for $59. So your ad title will be your product name. So it is much easier for people to recognize your product if you put your original product name. So draft of balance 15 O's. Just copy that and paste it to add title. Asking price would be $59 as you sell this as $59. So yeah. For the description, it's your choice if you want to make your own descriptions to make it more interesting and appealing to others. But for now, we can just copy and paste the product descriptions which are located on our main site. So let's just copy and paste the full description, then paste it, your name. It can be our website name. So this will going to be the owner or the website itself. So we can put draft of balance, draft of balance and the email can be our um can be our company email. So let's see if we have company email here. Okay, so our company email is info@draftofbalance.com. So we can put our email there. For phone, you can also use our company phone for this, so that if people contacted the owner, it will be landed on the company itself. So just copy and phone and the address, PO box, copy and paste it. Okay, so here the expire in there will be a drop down box where you can choose when you want to be on your ads will be online. So you can choose 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, etc. So let's choose 6 months for this. So for verification code, make sure that you enter the right code for this. So if you take note of the big and the small letter, so that you have you need to avoid mistakes. So for the image, just just save the image here for the items you're selling, so that it will be more attractive to people, that they can see the product itself. So let's save it. Draft of balance 6 stones. Okay, so let's choose a file. Draft of balance 6 stones. Okay, let's just wait until it successfully uploaded. Okay, so you can replace this, remove this to replace another, or you can rotate it, or you can rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise. So and then you just need to post your ads. But before clicking this post this ad, make sure that you enter the proper descriptions and informations about your ad. So let's just double check this. If you're very unsure of this, you can click this post this ads. Okay, it said your email address is incorrect. So I think I put the wrong email for this. So let's just change the email address. It's in info@draftofbalance.com. No, info at draftofbalance.com. Okay. Okay, so let's post this ads. Okay, there will be a note saying that your ad has been posted. So for additional thing or technique for you to manage your posted ads, so you can make a spreadsheet for this, like classified ads links. So you can put the link of your ads here. The date you posted it, so right now it's August 11, 2014. So just put August 11. August 11, 2014. Title of your ad. Your ad title is Drop of Balance 16 ohms. This is how we can organize our ads. So, and the remarks. If it's successfully posted or needs a verification processes, etc. So you need to put the remarks for it. So right now the remarks will be your ad has been posted. So it is successfully posted. So you can just put it here. Then online from, it is online from to date until, so we choose 6 months. So expire would be February 11, 2015. So we can see the expiration date of this. So February 11, 2015. So on that date, you can put or make a calendar so that you can be reminded that you need to repost your ads. So you can go to your calendar and then go to the date of the expiration date where your ads will be expired. So it's February 11, 2015. So let's go to Feb 11, 2015. So you can make a note. You can make a note. Okay, you can make a note here saying, okay, so event. You can put drop of balance 16 ohms posted on the get the link posted on classifiedads.com is already expired and need to repost again. Okay, so you can make a reminder for you to know if your post is still online or not. So just save it. Okay, where was it save? I think it's already saved. Okay, so right now you have your um calendar for this so that you're always be reminded. So that's it. Thank you.